Hi guys, Zorimori here. Welcome to my channel and greetings from Paris. I am about to check in at one of my favorite luxury properties in Paris, the Shangri-La, and I'm gonna take you along with me to show you around. If you're planning a trip to Paris and you're looking for ideas and inspiration, in the description of this video I'm gonna link all of my blog posts related to Paris, everything you need to build the perfect itinerary. If you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Now let's go check out Shangri-La. Let's start with the room tour, room 64. When you enter, you have three options. You can do left to the bedroom, you can do straight to the bathroom, or you can go up to a fantastic balcony with sweeping views. But let's start with the bedroom first. It's really spacious. It has fantastic natural light. I appreciate it because sometimes I have to shoot content in the room, and it also just feels really great to wake up in a space that's well lit. We just checked in. The team has left some goodies for us. Very excited for these pastel colored macaroons, and of course the champagne. We'll pop it when the Eiffel Tower lights start tonight. Also, the bouquet of flowers is beautiful display of everything that spring has to offer. Straight from your bed you can see the Eiffel Tower, and this type of views in Paris are hard to come by because it just feels like the Eiffel Tower is right here next to you. Absolutely amazing for special occasions. If you're planning to propose or celebrating an anniversary or a milestone in your life, this is a great place to stay. Down here you have the mini bar and the TV that I don't really use. I don't even have a TV in San Francisco, but if you need to watch something, it's right here. Moving on to the bathroom. The bathroom has a very special window, and that window allows you to admire the Eiffel Tower while you're soaking in the tub. Again, so fun, such a unique experience. You get a set of Shangri-La's own line developed by Guerlain. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, all the good stuff. You have a rainfall shower over here. The toilet over here. You get two sinks. One for me, one for Henry. This is your closet. It's very nice and spacious. I love that it's away from the room. Sometimes I would wake up and start getting ready before Henry so he can continue sleeping. And up the stairs, I'm gonna take you to the most amazing terrace. It's a lot of stairs, but it is worth it. Bear with me. All right, are you ready? Ta-da! It's so big, and you have all this greenery that makes it feel like you're by yourself. You can have your breakfast here with the room service. Look at that view. You can enjoy the sparkles of the Eiffel Tower. You can enjoy the sunrise. I mean, honestly, you probably would not want to leave this room. So special. So I'm gonna enjoy these biscuits, and I took a shower. Feels so good. Henry and I decided to just stay in. We are so tired. We've been walking all over Paris for the last 10 days. We deserve some time to ourselves. We made reservations for drinks in the lounge, and then after that we're gonna also have dinner at the hotel. Last year when we were staying here, we did lunch and the food was absolutely amazing. So we decided let's do a date night. This is what my date is wearing. He's actually wearing head to toe October editions, which is a sister brand of Cezanne. The shoes are New Balance. I love the colors. I picked them myself. And he's kind of matching me. Yes, the spin is very good. He's kind of matching my spring vibe. I am wearing a really beautiful dress by Sue Sartor. It's a brand from the South. I actually have a discount code for them. I'm gonna include link to the dress and the discount code in the description of this video. It has pockets, very important. Shoes are Cezanne. And I'm bringing this basket, it's also from Cezanne, with these artificial flowers that are just decoration that I like to carry in my bag around Paris because it looks cute. Good night, see you tomorrow. Room service because how can you not, right? This will be our view for the morning. I can't believe this terrace. It's so nice. I'm truly speechless. I'm so happy to be here. Henry and I ordered breakfast at 8 a.m. It's now 11, so we've been here for quite some time. We shot photos, we shot reels. If you want to check out those, definitely stop by both of our Instagram accounts. I'm gonna put links in the description of this video. Now we're just sitting here finishing breakfast and enjoying the view. We haven't decided what we're gonna do this afternoon. We have massage appointments at 4:30. It's now 11:30, so we have this little gap between the two. Initially we were thinking of walking around and enjoying the city, but maybe we'll just go to the pool early and kick back and relax. That's the thing when you're staying at an exceptional property, you kind of get trapped inside, but I think we deserve it because we've spent the last 10 days running around town and doing a lot of photography, so maybe this can be our off time because we get to enjoy this view. Time for our spa appointment. massage felt amazing. I feel so relaxed. I think I fell asleep a couple of times for just like a little bit. At the same time, the pressure I felt in my shoulders and in my legs from all the walking is gone. My masseuse's name is Chloe. She's so good. I can't recommend her enough. She listened to all my concerns and focused on the areas that I really wanted her to focus on, and her pressure and her technique were spot on.